Good morning, everyone. It's Sparkling Shar, and welcome back to my channel. Coming in to do a quick project share from my bucket list to-do list. This has been on my list for a long time, too, so I'm so excited. Y'all know how I get when I'm excited. I just want to scream, ah! Oh, sorry. But let me show you guys what I'm doing, because I got to do this video quick, because I got to jump on this train so I can get to work on time. So here we go. Choo choo. Choo choo. Yes, the Polar Express is coming. Oh my God, guys, look at my train. Let me turn it this way so you guys can get a look at the show side of it. How freaking cute is this? Yes, I know. So adorable. Oh my God. So I actually made this so I could take it to work. And we're going to put some goodies in here, some candies for, you know, the patients when they come in. So I got a bucket of, peppermint. So I'm going to post some of them in there. And this thing, it should hold pretty large amount. Look how cute is that? Let's see what else we're going to put in here. I know I should be prepared, right? So these come from the Dollar Tree. They'll look cute down in that lollipop sucker. Sorry about the noise. Yes. So put those in there. Oh, this is so cute. And then I got some, what else I got? I think I had some Jolly Ranchers. Yeah, I got Jolly Ranchers. Post some of them down in there. Oh my God, guys. These are so cute. You guys got to make this. You have to put this on your bucket list. Oh my God. It's so cute, right? Y'all know me. Let me sample the goods. But yeah, guys. So I'm so excited about this. Let me tilt it a little bit so you can get a good look at it. And this is another one of those awesome projects that was made by Mixed Up Crafts. You know, the one that I learned how to do the backpacks from. Oh my God, I'm really getting out of my comfort zone. This YouTube platform is just awesome. I don't know how they think of these great things, but yeah, I'm loving this. I think she got it off Pinterest, but of course she said you can make it your own. I know it looks complicated, but trust me, it is not. All you do is cut your pieces off first. You cut your pieces out first, and then you put it together. And this is so cute. Now, let me let you guys know, this is my first one. So it's got a little imperfection to it. Like this little white piece here. I cut one too small and one side too large, but it's okay. But, yeah, I enjoy putting this together. So when I do my next one, you know it's going to be perfect. And then look how it's got the little things that it moves. You see? Oh, I am just so in love with this, guys. Yeah, so hop on this Polar Express. Yes. Oh my God, it's so cute. And then to put the little things on the inside. Oh my God, the train derailed. 1 second. Y'all know I'm crazy. Anyway, I just wanted to come in and show you guys how this looks and share my little choo-choo train with you guys. Hold on a minute. Let me pull this out so you can get a really good look at it. Because I got to load it up anyway and get it out of here and take it to work. So this should bring smiles to people's face, right? So it's got the little turn gadgets, which was awesome. And I decorated here. You know, oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, the top comes off of this one. My show style is kind of wonky today, but yeah. And then here, she actually had like a piece of cotton for her steam, but I didn't have that, so I improvised and used a little crinkle paper. And yeah, and then this is the front. How cute is this? And I had, what happened to my little deer? I had a deer up here. Give me 1 second, because you can put anything. What happened to my deer? Give me a minute, guys. You can put anything down inside there. So I had put a deer. It's like Rudolph. He's guiding the train. I had stuck him. See? How cute is this? You can put anything down in there, though, but I like the deer. So, yeah, guys, so I want to come in and show you how I decorated it. I didn't decorate the back side, but you can. You can decorate all the way around. And this is the back of that caboose, the car. What you call these? The trains. Yeah. So, you know what I'm going to do, too? I'm going to take some black cardstock to work with me, and I'm going to make a track, like a train track. So, yeah, guys. So, thank you guys for stopping in right quick and jumping on this Polar Express with Char. And I will see you in the next video. And remember to always sparkle. Bye now.